In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from Slack 2026. If you're wrapping up your day, switching devices, or troubleshooting a notification issue, signing out of Slack is a quick way to make sure your account stays secure and your session ends cleanly. I'll walk you through the simple process on the desktop or web version and share a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening Slack and heading to your home view. This is the main screen where you see your sidebar with channels, direct messages, and apps. If you've been navigating around, there's no need to hunt for a special page. Just make sure you're looking at your usual Slack window with the sidebar visible. Being on home ensures the menu we need appears exactly where we expect it. Next, move to the top left corner of the Slack window. You'll see your workspace name and its icon in the header area above your channel list. That spot is the gateway to your account and workspace controls. Click the workspace name. This opens a menu with options related to your profile, preferences, and workspace management. If your sidebar is compact or you're using a smaller window, the name might be truncated. That's normal. As long as you click the workspace header at the top left, the correct menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option labeled Sign Out. Click Sign Out to end your session for this workspace. After you do, Slack will close your active session and return you to a sign-in screen or a landing page, depending on how you access Slack. Your messages, channels, and files remain safely in your workspace. You're simply disconnecting your device from that account session. If you use multiple workspaces, remember that signing out here affects only the one you selected. You can repeat the same process in any other workspace where you're currently signed in. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Quitting the Slack app is not the same as signing out. If you're stepping away from a shared or public computer, always sign out to protect your account. If you don't immediately see the sign out option in the menu, scroll within the menu or expand your window. It's typically near the bottom of the account-related options. And if you plan to sign back in later, make sure you know your login method, such as your email and password or your company's single sign-on, so you can rejoin your workspace without delay. That's it. Fast, clear, and secure. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to log out of Slack whenever you need.